So here we are given a table with the property addresses and the purchase price and the monthly rental price. Depending on the situation, you may not need all these. So let's read the paragraph. The Townsend Realty Group invested in 5 different properties listed in the table above. The table shows the amount in dollars the company pays for each property. That's the second column here. Property and the corresponding monthly rental price. That's a third column. The company charges for the property at each of the 5 locations. Townsend Realty purchased a Glenview property. Okay, here's a Glenview. Let's zoom into it. And receive a 40% discount off the original price, along an additional 20% off the discounted price for purchasing property in cash. Which of the following best approximates the original price in dollars of the Glenview Street property? Okay, it seems like we don't really need to know everything else, and we just need to use this data in the Glenview Street. So I'm gonna highlight that it received a 40% discount of the original price and additional 20% of the discounted price. It's a discounted price, not the original. So in other words, we just have to keep multiplying from the result. Okay, so let's say the x, because they want us to find the original price, I'll set that equal to x. For the original price to get the 40% off, you're gonna retain 60%. Okay, so this is the discounted price. But it said with the additional 20% of the discounted price. So I'm gonna say that this is discounted price. And from here, you get 20% discount. Now, don't just multiply by 0.2. It said 20% off, which means it's 80% that you are responsible for. Now, if you really want me to show all the work, it would have been like 1 minus 0.4 for the discounted price. And that's how you get the 0.6 here. And then from this amount, we're getting 20% off 1 minus 0.2. If the answer choices were like showing the equation how you get it, this would have been it. Okay. So this turned out with all this discount, this property or this realty just had to pay 140K. So let's use our calculator. 0.8 times 0.6, x equals 140,000. Well, I also know that this is just 0.48 x. And at this point, yes, let's use calculator. Now, if you don't want to use calculator, I just realized this is really close to 0.5. So if you just multiply by 2, it should be something close to what? 280,000. So if you're running out of time, yes, you should choose B here. But let's say that's not the case for you. So 140,000 divided by 0.48 gives us 291,666. Look at all our answer choices look rounded up to 100. So if you look at the tens, 6 rounded up, 700, right? So 291,000 for the x. Answer should be B.